Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today in this video we will discuss the syllabus which will become in your first term exams. So let us start. The chapters which are included in your first term syllabus are chapter number 7 Great Businessman, chapter number 8 Currencies of Countries, chapter number 9 Famous Trains of the World, chapter number 10 Well Known Environmentalist, chapter number 11 Forest Our Green Treasures, chapter number 12 National Parks and Sanctuaries, chapter number 13 River Projects of India, chapter number 14 Natural Wonders of the World, chapter number 15 Sweet Sour Berries, chapter number 16 Herbal Medicine, chapter number 18 No More on Green World, chapter number 19 Amazing Birds, chapter number 20 Over Intelligent Friends. Okay, those who are having new books, the chapters are from chapter number 7 to chapter number 20, but make sure there is chapter number 17 is not included your first term syllabus. Okay, and one more thing which is in your first term syllabus, that is quiz time 1, which is on page number 52. And now we will discuss the first chapter from our syllabus, that is chapter number 7, which is mentioned on the page number 11, and the name of the chapter is Great Businessman. Okay, in this chapter we will read about the businessman. So let us start. Look at the pictures of some great businessmen men of the world and name them. Take help from the clue box. So here are some pictures of great businessmen are given. You have to identify the name of the businessman with the help of clues. Okay, and with the help of clues which are given here. So let us start with the first one. This man owns many newspapers and television channels across the globe. Globe means world. So this man is owner of many newspaper and television channels. So the name of the person is Rupert Murdoch. Second is, this man is the chairman of Tata Group. So chairman is a person who is chosen to lead over a meeting. So this person is chairman of Tata Group. The name of the man is Natarajan Chandrasekhar. Third one is, this woman became the chairman and chief executive officer of PepsiCo company. So this woman became the chairman and the CEO. CEO means chief executive officer of PepsiCo company. The name of the woman is Indira Krishnamurti Nui. Fourth one is, this American businessman is considered as the most successful investors of 20th century. So this businessman belongs to which country? The country America. That's why he is known as American businessman, and he is considered as the most successful investors of 20th century. So who is investor? Investor is a person who invests money in scheme or any other project or money with the expectation of achieving profit. So that person is called investor. So name of the person is Warren Buffett. Fifth one is, this man is the chairman of Reliance Industry. So again, you all know the name of this person. The name of the person is Mukesh Ambani. Sixth one is, this man is one of the co-founders of Microsoft. So you all know what is Microsoft. We are using this software in our computer like Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, MS Excel and MS Paint. And this man is co-founder of that Microsoft. So the name of the person is Bill Gates. Seventh one is, this Indian genius is the co-founder of the website hotmail.com. So this personality belongs to India, or this genius belongs to India. That's why here it is called Indian Genius. And he is the co-founder of website hotmail.com. The name of the person or the name of the genius is Shabir Bhatia. Now the next is, this man is the chairman of Wipro Group. So the name of the person is Azim Premji. So first of all, what is the Wipro Group and what are the products of Wipro Group? So the product of Wipro Groups are Santoor soap and hand wash, which we are using in our homes. Along the, next is, he is one of the co-founders of Infosys, a leading international IT company. So the name of the founder is Narayan Murthy. The 10th one is, she was the first woman to become a millionaire through her own skills. So the first question is here, what is millionaire means? Millionaire is a person who is having wealth of 1 million pounds or more. So the name of person is CJ Walker. So now the last portion is, did you know? A person who starts or organizes a business company is known as entrepreneur. Okay, so dear students, with this we have completed, or with this we have covered the chapter number 7. So learn it. Take care. Thank you.